Have you ever tried baking a cake and it burned, or had a funny taste, or simply didn't become solid, and then wondered what you did wrong? The same is happening when chemists are preparing catalysts. Those catalysts are the secret ingredient that accelerate chemical reactions. And that's why they are used in basically everywhere in the production to make things fast and affordable. But when they are producing catalysts, they need tens of thousands of tries to end up with one good recipe that does not only cost us a lot of time, but it also produces a lot of waste of precious metals, for example, platinum or even gold. So what's really going wrong all the time? To understand what's happening, I simulate the baking process with a computer. This way we can try recipes beforehand and see if they will work or if the oven is too hot or too cold. So in the end, we end up with, instead of tens of thousands of tries, maybe 5. This way we do not save only a lot of time, but also waste a lot less. In a way, a computer is helping us becoming a better cook.